The Summer Academy is really the brainchild of Dr. Kyle McGinnis, who is the Dean of Nursing and Health Sciences, and the administration at Lifespan Healthcare. Lifespan is the largest healthcare organization here in Rhode Island, and the Summer Academy is going to give the students of Providence College who choose to do this the opportunity to do the training throughout this spring semester and then work clinically over the summer in a variety of different clinical fields in the Miriam Hospital. The Miriam Hospital is located here in Providence, and it is a magnet hospital, which means it's been nationally recognized for nursing excellence. So it makes a great place for the students to get their first experiences in healthcare. So there are 18 students who chose to do this. It's an optional program. It's just enrichment for any student who wants to take part in it. And there are three different sections that they take part in and then become certified as nursing assistants. So they do have 40 hours of didactic learning. So it's an online program that's run through Cinematic Health, and the students are exposed to the knowledge that they need to be able to then work as a nursing assistant over the summer. It's presented in case study form, so it makes it really interactive for the students, and they get to see what these things mean in the context of patient care. They do 40 hours of laboratory training with me, and so they learn the hands-on skills that they need to become a nursing assistant. And then they do 40 hours of clinical training, so they're broken into small groups and taken into the Miriam Hospital, where we do actual on-the-job training and learning to perform the skills that they learned in lab and apply the knowledge that they learned in the didactic portion. It's not going to just be work all summer, so there are some activities planned for the students to make it really fun and engaging for them. They are staying on campus through June when they're taking part in the Nursing Academy and living in the apartments, so it'll give them a taste of living where the upperclassmen are living, which is a lot of fun for them. And they're also going to do some enrichment activities. They'll have one night out at Cafe Nuovo, where they'll have a great dinner together as a group. We're also, as a group, taking part in the American Heart Association Heart Walk on June 8th. So it's not just work, it'll be a lot of fun for them as well. So the goals for the students is really to give them an early exposure to what the clinical environment looks like. Most students of nursing don't get their first exposure of what the clinical environment actually looks like until later in their nursing program. So this will give our students a great foundation to build from as they progress through the curriculum here at PC. It also helps the Miriam Hospital to adequately staff and have enough nursing assistants throughout the summer where people may be taking vacations and staffing might be on the lower side. So it's really helpful for both our students to give them great practical application of knowledge, and also for the Miriam so that they have, they have adequate staffing. It's really important for PC as it's helping to set up this partnership with Lifespan Health, which is the largest healthcare organization in Rhode Island. So by setting up this partnership, we're really learning to collaborate to help our students get the best clinical experience they can throughout the program. So this is just one component of the collaboration that we'll be doing with Lifespan Health, which is fantastic. And then also for the community at large, by students being exposed to the Miriam Hospital, which is a magnet hospital, students will then recognize that they have a great opportunity right here in Rhode Island to work as a nursing assistant and then hopefully to stay on as a nurse. There is a national shortage of nurses, which is multifactorial, so by setting up these strategic partnerships, it should help to decrease the shortage in Rhode Island for nurses if the students do stay on at a place where they already have a great relationship. Speaking to Dean Kyle McGinnis and Dr. Nancy Meadson, who is the chair of the Department of Nursing and who has worked tirelessly to get this set up, would be your great sources of information. You could also reach out to me as I am overseeing the online component and also teaching the lab component and a clinical component. There are other faculty members who will be working as clinical instructors for this as well, all located within Department of Nursing. So you can find any of our contact information on the PC website, and any of us would be more than happy to speak to you about the Summer Academy. We're very excited about this program.